Hey guys, I want to do a little different video today. I know you guys are wanting Skyrim videos, and trust me, they're coming. In fact, I'm uploading one right now. But today what I wanted to do, I want to do kind of a little bit of a how-to guide. My main goal is to help you guys make your computers run a little bit faster, maybe some more efficiently. And there's a couple programs out there that I like to use a lot that really do help a lot. Now, you may be wondering, who's this guy to be telling us how to run our computers? Well, I'm not telling you how to do anything. What I want to do is give you some tips. Just so you know, my background is all computers. I'm 32 years old. I've been using computers since I was about 15 years old, and I've got some certifications in computer technology. I've got a diploma in computer programming. So I have an idea what I'm talking about, and if I don't know what I'm talking about, I'll always look it up, and I'm always up front with that. But today I want to talk about hard drives, and I want to talk about how to keep your hard drive running in the best shape that it possibly can. So the key thing with this is defragmenting your hard drive, and I know a lot of you may know what that is, some of you don't, and if you don't, that's okay. I'm going to show you. Every time you store a file on your hard drive, what happens is that file takes up physical space on the disk of that drive, and when you delete a file, it doesn't actually get deleted, it's just no longer accessible, so it's like it's gone. But what happens is, as new files are written to your hard drive over and over, they become fragmented, and what that means is they become split into several pieces, because sometimes you may not have a spot in your hard drive where a file can fit, so the system, Windows, will split it into multiple pieces, and that's called fragmentation. And what that does, that makes it slow to read your files. So what you gotta do is every now and then you've got to defrag your hard drive. Now I want to show you a program I have. It's called Smart Defrag. It's a free program, completely free. You do not have to purchase it, and it works very, very well. So I'm just going to show you here. This is basically my C drive, and you can see it's not too bad. I actually keep it in good shape. And also you can see up here automatic defragmented. So this program is really cool because it will, when you're not really doing much, like say you're surfing the internet, or you're working in a Word document, or if you're just doing something that's not working your computer hard, this will quietly defrag in the background, which is perfect for those people who don't want to defrag all the time. But I'm just going to show you here. So let's just say, in fact, my video drive that I do my videos on just filled up the other day. So let's go and, you know what, actually on second thought I'm not going to do that because I'm right now recording to that drive. So let's go to C. So you check here and you want to analyze. And this just takes a second. It analyzes your hard drive, it sees how many problems and fragments there are. See, so far it is actually finding a bunch. And all this red stuff is fragments, and you can move your mouse over here and see what these are. And then it gives you a basically a printout. So as you can see, most of this stuff is just Google Chrome and temp files, which leads me to another program that I want to show you. And I'm going to give you guys links to these in the descriptions. I'm going to go on the websites during this video and show you what I mean. But I'm going to close this for now because the other program I want to show you is something that actually works very well with the defrag program. It's called CCleaner. Where is it here? CCleaner. So this program, what this does, it goes through your system, goes through basically your temporary internet files, temporary stuff in Windows, and you can customize everything in here that you don't want to lose. Usually the default settings are safe. The only thing I would recommend, if you use Google Chrome, go into applications and uncheck a few things here. Internet history, you probably want to keep that. This is what I use, and I find this works fine for me. Sessions, saved form information, saved passwords, you might want to keep that. If you don't, just check them. But what you do with this, you just click on Analyze, and then analyze your computer, and then it will, okay, Google Chrome is open, I'm going to leave it open. 7.3 megs can be removed. And then you just run, and it will delete. And I must go, okay. See, I'm not closing Chrome because, as you can see, I'm uploading a Skyrim video right now. So this program's really good. You run this here, and then go into your Smart Defrag and run that, and then you can keep your computer optimized, keep it running at its top performance, and hopefully your gaming sessions will be better and your computer can load faster. Now there is another thing to this program I want to show you guys as well. And if you have any questions at all, guys, please write your questions in the comments, and I'll reply there. That way other people can see them as well. It has a registry cleaner here, like you just saw me click on. You scan for issues, and there's always something that comes up. Now these files here, they look like they're Oblivion files, or mod files for that. But anyway, either way, if it finds them here, I find it safe to do this. Just clean them up. I never make a backup of my registry unless there's something serious in there. Fix all selected. They're just minor issues. Now the CCleaner program is tools. Here it shows all your programs you have installed. It's basically the same as the Windows one. You can go through it. I got tons of Microsoft stuff because I'm a programmer, and I got Visual Studio on here. You guys, you can see I even have Morrowind, Oblivion, and I got Skyrim installed. But the key thing here is startup. So I want you guys, if you do this, go into your startup, and you guys are probably going to see a huge list of stuff, and a lot of it is crap. It's all the stuff that ends up down here in your bar when you turn your computer on. The only thing you truly really need, I mean, maybe different for your computer, but the thing that you really truly need is, say, your video drivers. I have an ATI card, you might have an NVIDIA card, but let that run. I leave Google Update on there for Chrome, keeps it automatically updated. But things like iTunes Helper, QuickTime Task, anything like, say you've got a Office program, a quick launch for Office, you can turn these off. And if you're not sure, just click on them and disable, like that. Don't delete. That will disable it, and then if it doesn't work or something goes wrong, then you will know, and then you can re-enable it. So these here are a couple of things I think a lot of times when people ask me to help them speed their computer up, these are the first things I go for. I go for Smart Defrag, and I go for CCleaner. The other issue here is System Restore, but I don't use that. Drive Wiper if you want to clean up drive. And then there's your options. So yeah, guys, I hope that this helps you out. I'm just going to bring up the websites here and show you. So one site is iobit.com. Alright, so iobit.com, these guys have Game Boosters, is another program I want to show you. These guys have some very excellent programs, and they're free. They do have ones you buy, but their free programs are very good. So let me see here now. We're going to go to Products. And it changed things up a little bit, but here we go. Smart Defrag 2. So you just come here and download. But let's go learn more so I can just show you guys a little bit about this. Won't read everything to you, but basically it's extremely fast, and it actually is fast, and it's very efficient. Designed for top performance, always on automatic, and boot time defrag. So that's another thing about that. You can boot time defrag your C drive, which will clean up a lot of stuff when you reboot your computer. But I really encourage you guys to check this out. I'm going to give you guys the link to this, and the other one is CCleaner. I don't know the website address exactly, so I think it's actually Paraform. So yeah, and this is the other one. This is actually, at first I didn't know. I saw this on this computer, and I'm very skeptical about what I put on my system. But I've looked into this, and this works very well. I've cleaned up a lot of crud off my hard drive. So this program, Smart Defrag, put these two together. They're safe programs. They're virus free. I've been running them for a very long time. I highly recommend both of them. Check them out. I'm going to put a link in the description, and let me know what you guys think. Let me know if this helps you guys out, because if this does help you and there's other things you're wondering about, like I said, I've got a lot of background on computers. I've done technical support for years. I've worked in the military as an electronics technician. I did computer support there too. I do my own computer support on the side, so I'm not just a gamer. I'm a computer guy too. So any questions, anything at all, let me know. And enough people ask me questions about a particular topic, I will do another video like this, because you know, I want to help you guys. I mean, you guys join my channel, you guys like my videos, and I want to give something back to you guys. So this here is a good start for you guys, and I think it's going to help. If you're not already doing this, try it out. No harm. If you are doing this, then excellent. The only thing I would worry about is when you install these, make sure you don't install any extra stuff. Just install what you want here, because sometimes they might want you to install a toolbar or something else. Don't do that. Just install the basic program. So yeah, CCleaner, Smart Defrag, and let me know what you think. I'm going to do another video on that Game Booster, so you guys can check that out too. Wait for that coming later on today, and let me know what you think.